Want this edit? First, I'm going to share the video clips durations of each member. To copy the video clips durations, you can pause the video and take a screenshot. After adding the video clips, go back to the first clip. Reverse the first clip, tap the clip, and tap the reverse icon. Now tap the basic icon, and select Scale. Add keyframe at the beginning and at the end, adjust to zoom in the video according to your preference. And ensure that the face is at the center of the screen. Now add graph, select linear, and adjust. Copy the setting. By doing this, you can create smooth zoom in. Do the same steps, first the basic icon and keyframes to zoom in the last part of the clip. Second, the graph linear, then customize using my setting to create smooth zoom in. Do these on all Jin's clips. Next, zoom out for CapCut.Hope clips. Tap the basic icon and then scale. Add keyframe at the end, and at the beginning, adjust to zoom in the video according to your preference. Now add graph linear and adjust. Do the same setting that I showed earlier. Do the same steps for the zoom out on all CapCut.Hope clips. First the basic scale, add keyframe at the end, and at the beginning, adjust to zoom in the video. Second, add graph linear, and apply the setting that we used earlier, to create smooth zoom out. Continue the zoom in and zoom out steps on each member's clips alternately. On the last video clip of Jungkook, using the basic scale, add keyframe at the beginning, and at the end, adjust to zoom out the video. Then apply the same graph linear setting. And for the last clip, the white photo, duplicate the first video and place the copied clip at the end. Remove the keyframes and add it as an overlay. I changed the speed of this clip to make it shorter for the first clip, and now I'm going to return it to the original speed. Ensure to align the last part of the overlay clip on the last part of the music. And also remove the reverse on the video. Aligning on the first part of the white photo, split the overlay clip and remove the first part. And at the end part of the white photo, split the overlay clip and add the split clip on the main track. On the overlay clip, use mask rectangle to crop the video clip to 1:1 ratio. Adjust the overlay clip on the screen into a smaller size. Split the overlay clip to make the first part 0 point for second duration. Do the same on the white photo. Split the next part of the white photo and the overlay clip to make it 0 point for second duration. Split again the white photo and the overlay clip for another 0 point for second duration. And split the last part of the white photo and the overlay clip to make the first split clip 0.2 second duration, and 0.1 second duration on the last split clip. Now add animation fade out on the first white photo. On the second overlay clip, adjust the video on the screen to make it a bit bigger. On the second white photo, drag down the photo half of the screen and add animation fade out. Adjust the next overlay clip to make it a bit bigger and drag up the white photo half of the screen and add animation fade out. Do the same on the last two white photo and overlay clips, but this time drag to the left, and the other one is dragged to be right. Duplicate the last white photo, cover the whole screen, and overlay the copied white photo, then remove the animation fade out. Starting on the first split clip, add effect, vertical blur under opening and closing, and edge glow under lens. Copy both effects and place it on every split clip, and up to the last video clip of Jungkook. When finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.